Well, do something about it if you think your fork's dirty, Elliot. Don't complain to me about it.
It's so much easier to find a restaurant in Los Angeles.
Yes, but it's so much harder to pick which one to choose.
Got a point there.
Sorry I'm late.
Waiter. That's all right, Joey. So, how did the big meeting with the owner go?
Oh, it went fine. It went very well.
Is it almost ready to be released?
Elliot, books take months to prepare.
Oh, which is fine.
And poetry's a little bit more delicate.
Oh, let's stop. Let's change the subject. I'm sick of talking about it. I'm tired of talking about the book, you know.
Who is our waiter? This is ridiculous.
Oh, my God, no wonder.
Hey, you guys. I can't believe it's you guys. Hi, Joey.
Hey, Timmy.
How's your book going? You're gonna be pretty famous, I guess, huh?
Maybe, maybe not, you know. I don't know.
Well, things are going pretty darn good for me since I last saw you.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. I did my monologue for Larry Wilkes' receptionist, finally. And I called her back the next day. And after we got disconnected on accident,
Just take care of the fork, please.
Okay.
Go.
Problem. Tell you guys the rest later. Joey? Good to see you again. Famous author.
Jesus, what an idiot.
Matthias. You remember that kid in the park? You know, next door to where you live, that mute kid.
Stu Slovak's brother.
Yeah. I never see him or Stu around anymore.
Well, of course not, Joey.
What do you mean, of course not?
Well, Stu's dead. He was killed about a year ago. Something to do with drugs. I mean, I don't know about the little kid, poor thing, but what a couple of losers. Jesus.
Waiter!
Do you know the funny thing is? I heard that Stu Slovak had applied to Princeton University.
Waiter!
I mean, can you imagine anything as ridiculous as that?
Marty.